Lifestyle. What is lifestyle is if I am driving by a tricycle right now. How many of you came by the car from your home? Raise the hand. Very few. How many of you has come here by tricycle? Raise the hand. Raise the hand. I think no need to be shy.
Jeepney.
Yeah. How many of you come by jeepney? So many. Yes. How many of you come by the motorcycle? Very few. How many of you came by walk? Very few. Okay. What is the lifestyle? Lifestyle means in this year I just came by walk. In the next year I ride a jeepney. And that next year I ride my own bike. And my fourth year I will ride my own car. That is called development in your life. That is what we do in this company. The more time you spend in the company, the more work you spend in the company, you will see growth in your life. I have seen people who came to meeting by the car. The same guy is coming and picking in a BMW from airport. I have seen the guys who came to the company with the bare foot registering the company. The same guy is wearing the Louis Vuitton shoe. I have seen. If you really want to change your life in this company, if you really want to change your life by yourself, DXN is the only one choice. I will not say DXN is one of the choice. I would say DXN is one and only choice. And with that, what is that? Danang Salamat.